Hi, welcome to Giant Human Resource Information System video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to run through the features real quick, though I'm not going to discuss each feature in detail. The purpose of this video is to give the audience an overview of what are the features that we have in this website or system. So let's log in to the system to see what are the features. And here's the dashboard. We have on the left the menu available for us, and the content that we have is this is the dashboard. So we have the count of the department that we have, total number of staffs, and currently present staff or pending tasks. So we don't have a present staff yet because we haven't logged in, so let me click the login button. So we have the present staff now, this one. And let's scroll down a bit to see what do we have in our dashboard. So we have here a list of employees and their designations, and we have here the calendar, and we have here the clock in and clock out button, and we have here the employee statistics, and we have here the recent activities and messages and project tasks or task progress. So let's see what we have on the menu. We have the department, so this is where you maintain departments within your organizations, and this is where we add, we edit and delete departments. And we have here maintenance for the designation, so what are the positions available in the company. And we have here list of employees. This is where you maintain all your employees. This is where you add employees, edit employees, delete employees, and you can also send a welcome message from here. So let us see what are the other options. So we have here the jobs. You can add jobs, new jobs here. So those who are looking for a job, they will see the available jobs. And you have maintenance for company expenses. So for example, here are the expenses, and you have maintenance for the awards. This is given to your employees. And you have a maintenance for a notice board. This is you know, an online notice board where employees can see it when they log in. We also have maintenance for holidays. This is where you put all the holidays within the year, or you can also input in advance. For example, this year is 2017, and you can put starting in putting all holidays on 2018. So that's where you maintain holidays. And you have here attendance. You can update attendance. You can view daily attendance or monthly attendance. And you have the employees has an option to file their vacation leave here. They can request. So here's the list of all the leaves that I have, and the payroll, payroll master can also generate the payroll company payroll here. And what are the other options we have? So I think that's you still have ticketing system. So this is where you maintain the ticket. So um, whenever the employees has a problem with their let's say software or hardware, they can request for technical support to look for their software or hardware problem. So that's where you maintain the or support employees. So we have here the tasks. This is where you maintain the tasks. You can assign tasks to any employee here, and you can send message to any employee on here as long as they have an account. And job vacancy, this is where you maintain available job. And we have here the SMS. So this system has an option to I can broadcast messages to many employees. So it has an option. So I guess that's all I want to show you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.